standing in the rain with his head hung low. Couldn't get a ticket, it was a sold-out show. Heard the roar of the crowd, he could picture the scene. Put his ear to the wall, then like a distant scream, he heard one guitar, just blew him away. He saw stars in his eyes, and the very next day bought a beat-up six-string in a second-hand store. Didn't know how to play it, but he knew for sure that one guitar felt good in his hands. It didn't take long to understand. Just one guitar slung way down low was a one-way ticket, only one way to go. So he started rocking, ain't never gonna stop. Gotta keep on rocking. Some days gonna make it to the top and be a jukebox hero. Got stars in his eyes. He's a jukebox hero. Yeah, he took one guitar. Jukebox hero. Got stars in his eyes. Jukebox hero. He'll come alive tonight. In a town without a name, in a heavy downpour, thought he passed his own shadow by the backstage door. Like a trip through the past,